So we're here. Hey, take my line. I'll never take my line ever again. Okay, so today we got some. I got a new fidget spinner, and I got a fidget spinner. That one's on. Yeah. Okay. Okay. I'll show that one to you in a minute. But first, I'm going to show you my red one. Remember, I had a sparkling one. And sorry about the sun. But sort of has a red one, and the new one is in action. Well, that's cool. That's cool. What the heck? Oh my gosh, that's. You see that? This is a 3. Yeah,
and mine is
we're gonna do an old versus new fidget spinner contest.
Yes.
Man, go get Mom's phone.
Okay.
Because I'm recording on my phone. Okay, let's go. Okay, guys, we got we got our dad's phone. So now it's fidget spinner versus old fidget spinner versus new fidget spinner. New fidget spinner versus old. Let's go. Okay, so we're gonna all be spinning this at the same time. We're gonna all do the old ones,
And I'll do a timer.
No, we're not doing the timer yet. Okay. Let's spin it. Let's see who wins. 2 of these, or that one. Here we go. Okay, I won against the new fidget spinner with these two. Who can spin the fastest?
This is not that fun.
Okay, so yeah, I know.
No.
So if you see right there,
So
right here,
this is not that
right
fun.
here is the old fidget spinner. Okay, let's go. Okay, I'll be in charge of the timer.
And I'll do mine.
No. You can start.
I'll do
Okay,
the timer.
ready, set, go. See right there?
That's pretty.
Okay,
I thought I actually got it.
so
Yeah.
that's
That's the timer. See that timer? That's the timer.
18, now 20 seconds. Oh, Marion, you messed it up. Don't do that again. Stop. Reset, ready, set, go. Wait, never mind. Wait, reset, ready, set, go. No stopping.
There's the timer. Fast.
No, don't spin it again. Don't. Okay, you can spin that one. I'm gonna spin all of these at once. It just makes it look cool.
Oh my gosh. See that? It looks like you're going slower.
Okay, so
Looks like that old one is going slower.
No, get out. Okay, it's been
Mine is the fastest.
38 seconds.
Mine is the fastest, probably. I bet the new fidget spinner will win.
Yeah, probably. Okay, tell me when to stop it. Okay, right now it's 55 seconds. Okay, we're over a minute.
Nope, don't stop it.
I know.
So,
Okay.
I think the new one. I think the new one wins.
Mary, just get out of the way.
Stop it. You don't. Stop it.
That's not.
Stop.
Okay. 1:30. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Okay.
Next.
So she got 90 seconds.
Next new one.
No, old one again. Okay? You set?
Sawyer.
Ready? Wait.
Ready?
We're gonna put this into part 2.
So you know
So
this.
then, if you want to see these two first
And
off,
this is not my dad's
want to
phone.
see these two first off?
This is not my dad's phone.
Go check that out. I'll do it today since
This is not
I've
my
been sick
dad's
for a while. So
This is actually my phone.
okay. So can't lie to the fans.
Sawyer.
Okay. So ready, set, wait.
Ow.
Ready, set, go.
So while it's doing, I'm gonna put it on here.
I don't know if it's my old one. Bet you $100. Wait. Oh yeah, it's 130. 130 last one. Okay. Water.
I can do it on my phone easily.
130. Okay.
140.
Doesn't even mark.
That's it. Okay. Here's me with my new phone.
Oh my gosh, it looks so cool. Wow.
That always look pretty good.
Okay.
Now, how about
Stop these. Stop these. Okay, we're just focusing on that one. It's slowing down. Stop. Get your hair away from it. Okay. So in a minute, after we're done with this, I'm gonna do my goodbye saying, and we're gonna get all three of these to spin at the same time. Oh my gosh! How is this possible?
How's that possible? How's that possible? That's very slow.
Okay, for this round, I don't know how, but old Fidget Spinner wins. 120, 126.
My Fidget Spinner won.
Okay, let's get all these to spin again. Ready, set, go. Okay, guys. Mary can't see that one. Mary,
Wait,
scoot your back. Scoot your back.
Let's redo that.
Okay. That one's nuts. Okay, guys. Check out our part 2.
Yep.
Okay, so bye.